winter session of Parliament begins, during which 3 bills are scheduled. Divya, in fact, winter session expected to continue till December 20th. It's going to be a stormy one for sure in this session. Waqf Amendment Bill and Disaster Management Amendment Bill, among others, are likely to be considered for discussion.
That's right, Radhika. Lots coming up this morning. As far as the floor leaders of the India bloc, they will be holding a meeting in the Parliament and the House is going to be deciding. As far as the opposition strategy is concerned, the opposition, of course, is expected to bring up the Waqf bill and also the crisis in Manipur. So those are the big, issues that the opposition is going to be focusing on. And we have my colleague Aishwarya joining us to get us more on this. Aishwarya, the government to focus on 16 bills during the session. The Waqf bill is been listed by the government for this session as well. And the opposition, of course, like we discussed, is going to bring up not just the Waqf bill, but also the Manipur bill, while Kiren Rijiju has gone on to say that they're ready to discuss any sort of topic while calling for a peaceful session.
Well, certainly it is. Union Parliamentary Affairs Minister yesterday during the all-party meeting stated that they are ready for discussion, but discussions needs, the approval of the Business Advisory Committee, and any opposition party who want to participate in discussion, they should first reach out to the BAC, and then the government will decide whether to list it or not. Remember, the opposition parties have claimed that they wanted to discuss on the issue of Manipur, on the issue of air pollution, of the terrorist activities and rail accidents as well. But yesterday, during the all-party meeting, almost 42 leaders from 30 political parties attended this. And it was a tentative list that was given by the government that will be comprising of 11 bills that will be tabled for consideration and passing, while 5 bills will be there for introduction. Now, very important, of course, is the Waqf Amendment Bill. As I mentioned, that Kiren Rijiju had stated that if earlier the House has decided that the JPC had to submit its report before the last day of the winter session of Parliament, and if the JPC wants some extension, then they should approach the House, and the House will decide whether that there will be an extension or whether there will be more days that can be given to them or not. But certainly a fiery session expected, because the opposition parties, the India bloc, is meeting inside the Parliament House, and they will be strategizing as to how to proceed in the upcoming winter session. And all eyes will be on the Prime Minister as well, as he will be speaking sharp at 9:30 a.m., a customary speech before any session begins. And of course, he will be once again requesting the opposition to have a peaceful winter session with more positive outcomes.